I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We're in a luxurious location with a luxurious condo for you to review at 12 Woodstream Boulevard here in Vaughan. Everyone wants to have pride of ownership, to be proud when someone comes to visit them. Look at this foyer where you greet people. It's a two-story foyer that's surrounded by light. It's a fantastic way to say hello to friends and family. As you enter the hallway to your residence, the quality of this condominium extends into the hallways. It's been fully renovated, beautifully lit, modern decor. What a nice way to come home every day. Welcome home. There's no absence in quality or space when it comes to the layout of this unit. As you enter, you'll see, which I love, is separated from the remainder of the unit. Quality workspace, nice sized den. The foyer itself has an excellent sized closet for storage. Once you come into the unit, the layout opens up for you and you've got a fantastic space for entertaining. This includes a beautiful family-sized kitchen with granite counters and full-size appliances. There's a formal dining room that walks out to a large balcony. And what I love is there's a separate living room next to it, which is also open as well. The bedroom is of an excellent size and can accommodate a king-size bed and has a large closet. And one incredible feature here is the size of the bathroom. It's absolutely massive. There's no shortage of space in the morning to brush your teeth, and there's plenty of room to relax after a long day of work. Every building and every location has its premium views, and in this particular case, this is one of the finest views in these two buildings. Here's why. You're actually facing in an easterly direction, overlooking a beautiful parquet and green space as well as a creek. So you've got a green canopy in front of you when you wake up every morning and when you sit down for dinner. It's a fantastic view and definitely a premium for the space. One of the amenities here is this party room. You can have guests over with the full service kitchen, and just behind me there's a walkout to a patio. So if you have a family function, there's no need for a restaurant or to get your hands dirty. Cater in and enjoy this beautiful setting with tons of natural light. If you like to live an active lifestyle, these two buildings, because 12 and 24 conjoined with the lobby, offer two well-equipped gyms to use. As well, there's a sauna to take advantage of in number 12. Plenty of walking trails around here between Rainbow Creek and the other vicinity. So if you like an active lifestyle, you're not gonna have to line up to use any machines or equipment. So you've seen this beautiful unit. The amenities that are in this building are second to none. The location is remarkable. You're across the street from Rainbow Creek. You're one bus to subway access right to the downtown core of Toronto, and you're in a beautiful spot that has great highway access. What's left? Contact us to view this property. 416-557-SOLD, 416-557-7653. Email us at info@matteirealty.ca or view the virtual tour of this property at matteirealty.ca. I'm Mattei. Have a great day.